Hi, boys and girls. I can't say that anymore. Hi, folks. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. I survived the wonderful December 1st shopping day, last of the weekend shoppers, and I'm fine, except I don't see too clear. This is why everybody should get a helmet and have a light, because during a darkness, you can see things and your head don't get hurt. Okay, let me take that off. My grandniece gave me a haircut and told me I now look like that guy on TV. And I said, "What guy?" And when I look in the mirror, I look like what's his name? The North Korean leader. I'm all right. I did my rounds. My face isn't swollen as bit. Oh God, that hurt like hell. Okay, they broke my glasses. Yay. And this was at a hardware store. All right. December the 1st, I thought they're all gone. You wouldn't have people rushing in to buy hardware. I was wrong. Okay, I did went to Harbor Freight and good prices. I got this one for $4.29, like I showed you. That was good. I got this one free. Free $4.29 for this one. God, I really hate this haircut. I look like a Kim. That's all I need. But go back to hat. That's why I wear silly hats. And finally, for my last purchase, this one usually, if it's on sale it's a tactical flashlight. It's quantum. It's pretty good. Has 3-in-1. Has high, low. That was high. That's strobe. High, and the first two was high and low. That's pretty good. Not as good as the other one, but this takes 3 AAAs. Has a range of 538 feet. That's twice as long than the AAA. This takes AAAs. It's 588 lumens. Really like this, and it will fit into the headband. So if I have trouble, or if I have to search something, that's a pretty good light. Okay? And I never have trouble with these, except people walk away with them, like my family. And they look at me like, "Uncle Alan, why is your face swollen?" Well, a 68-year-old lady pushed Uncle Alan to the side trying to get one of these, screaming, "It's 9:29! Get out of my way!" Uncle Alan don't feel too good. And then I had to pay tax. Altogether came out to be less than 16 bucks. Oh yeah, and Hubble's cat was asking, no, I don't use the small 180 with the little insert thing. This is my rechargeable solar, and it does have a little charger panel and everything. I could shave outside camping because I got tired and I can't use a straight razor right. So it's a little scary when I'm trying to shave my face. Whoops. Oh, damn. At least it wasn't open. At least I didn't have it open. Like I told Liberty Garden, it takes a little time to practice with one of these. Okay, that was the flip. You pull it halfway, and then with the stud, you flip it like this. Make sure you have a good grip on top, and make sure fingers are out of the way. This is razor sharp. If it was open, I'll lose a couple toes, but it wasn't open, so it's easy as pie. That's why I like linears. But LG Liberty Garden, again, has the old school one like I do. This is a knockoff. It's a fancy one with a little longer blade. Blade's more like what they call it, K-bar. This is more of a K-bar style blade, and the handle is a good copy of the Buck 110. So I really enjoy these ones. They have a improved K-bar with this already built in for 14 bucks on Amazon if you want to get that. And let's see, what else did I get? Oh boy, I went to Walmart because I heard they had sales. They had the one bar, which I always give them out. See, remember this? $5, $15 box. That's the one bar. And I use that as my emergency, whatchamacallit, for my bug out bag. My emergency, energy bars too. So two will go into my bug out bag on my next video where we're going to talk about that. And then this one, I know Cooking Prepared always enjoy my videos on Isadora. Now Isadora puts out 3 of these, and they make black beans, which is my favorite. They also have pinto beans, the regular, refried bean, and they have a white one out of chickpeas. So I really like those two. And then Uncle Ben is now doing smoky, is this smoky? Oh, this is Southern chili. He's doing without meat Southern chili in bean form. So instead of a heavy can, I have these delightful little pouches, not as strong as the ones we get in the military, but this will fit in a heater bag, and it's cool to touch, really easy. You put that into the heater bag, fill a little water, and in about a minute or two, this is piping hot to eat. So if I do want to do this one, I could do the same thing, but this is more like for 4 people. I could use a microwave. This is about 15 ounces. This will feed 4 people or 2 people if they're really moving in the brush. I really like these. Cooking Preparedness 101. If they haven't destroyed this channel yet, will like this stuff. Okay, and I think that's about it for today, folks. This is an update. This is some ways between the bug out bag, the little flashlight thing. Again with the strobe lights. If you know anybody with a damn stupid camera, security, phone cam, point the strobe light at the camera. Screws up reception really good. Okay, folks, I'll catch you later. Bye.